So this is all scary. We've got a bunch of things going on here. We're just solving like normal. Negative 2x to the fourth and negative 2x to the fourth gives us negative 4x to the fourth. What am I looking for next? 5x to the fourth. I could take this and go from left to right and then reorder, but I like to reorder first. So what's my next one? 5x cubed. So I'm going to take that 5x cubed. Is there anything it goes with?
No.
Now I've got that 5x squared. What does it go with? 7x squared. 5 plus 7 makes x squared. Now I'm looking for x's. Do I have any? 2x plus 2x gives me?
4x.
And what's left? So, I got to there. Am I done with this problem? I'm done with this piece. Now I'm looking here. So I've got 6x to the fourth minus 10x to the fourth gives me negative 4x to the fourth. Then I'm looking for thirds. Do I have any? 5x cubed. Do I have any other ones for that to combine with? No, so I just rewrite it. Then I'm looking for x squared. Do I have more than one of those? 2x squared plus 10x squared gives me
12x squared.
12x squared. Do I have any x's? 3x and 4x gives me? And then I have just that minus 2 left over, right? Do those match? So are they the same? So I go and put a check mark in the no box. Going through again. What do I start with? Negative 8x to the fourth. Is there another fourth? Plus 3x to the fourth. What do I get? You can already tell me what? I can already tell you it's not the same. It already doesn't match because the negative 4 and the negative 5 don't match. Could I have solved this whole problem? Yes. Did I have to? So it is no. Okay. You need to go through and you need to solve this problem on your own, which means we need to go rewrite it. We should double check our friends' work as we go. What is our first step? Distribute. I get? Plus 2x equals 27. Did they do okay on that first step?
Yes.
Now what?
Combine.
Combine like terms. What do I get?
22x plus 5 equals 27.
Equals 27. Is it okay that I wrote it in a different order than you?
Yeah.
Okay. So does their work match my work? Yes. It's okay that it's in a different order?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what?
Minus 5 is 27.
On both sides, so minus 5 to the 27. And I get? Equals? How's their work? Uh-oh. They made a mistake.
They added 5.
They added 5 when they should have Are you okay to stop your problem here?
Yeah.
No. Why not? Because it asked you for the work and the answer. So you have to get x by itself. What do I need to do?
Divide 22 on both sides.
And I get?
1.
And hopefully you'll box your answer for me. Our bell is about to ring, which means that last page will be up online for you to kind of copy from. But you should try it on your own first and then go to the video for help.